New controls are available to the bulk drawing creation tool to allow you to choose the correct selected objects. For example, we have a file here that has an assembly, some subassemblies, and some parts. If we go to the bulk view drawing creation tool, you can see that these are already predefined to be selected. As you can see, some parts are selected and some assemblies are selected. There's a new filter here to allow you to clear selected assemblies or parts based on what you're trying to create. For example, if we wanted to create only assembly drawings, we could tell it to clear all parts and run the clear tool, and you'll notice all the parts that were selected will be removed and the assembly files are remaining in the list. You could do the same thing for the opposite. So if we exit, return back into this, say we wanted to create part-only drawings, we could clear all the assemblies and run clear, and you can see the assemblies get deselected, and all the parts that were pre-selected before are all now available to run the part drawing creation. So a very handy tool to allow you to clear the desired components to get new drawing creations for parts and assemblies.